Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into the raw food diet and why it might be the game changer you've been looking for. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's go. First off, what is it? The raw food diet involves eating foods that are unprocessed and uncooked. Think fresh fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. The goal? Maximum nutrients and natural flavors. Imagine biting into a juicy apple or a crisp carrot, knowing you're getting all the goodness nature intended. Now why go raw? One word, nutrients. When you cook food, you can lose vital nutrients. Raw foods retain their natural enzymes, which are crucial for digestion and nutrient absorption. So you're basically giving your body premium fuel. Think of it as filling your car with the highest quality gasoline. Next up, energy boost. Ever notice how sluggish you feel after a heavy cooked meal? Raw foods are light and easy to digest, giving you a natural energy boost. Say goodbye to those afternoon slumps. Imagine powering through your day with consistent energy levels. How about weight loss? The raw food diet is naturally low in calories but high in fiber. This means you can eat until you're full without the extra calories. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but, without the cake. Plus, the high fiber content helps keep you feeling satisfied longer. And let's not forget the glowing skin. All those antioxidants and vitamins in raw foods do wonders for your skin. Think of it as nature's way of giving you that radiant, youthful glow. It's like a natural beauty treatment from the inside out. But wait, there's more. A raw food diet can also boost your immune system. With all those vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, your body is better equipped to fight off infections and stay healthy. Imagine rarely getting sick and feeling your best all year round. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Transitioning to a raw food diet can be challenging. Start slow. Incorporate more raw foods into your meals gradually. It's all about balance and listening to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust accordingly. So if you're looking for a way to boost your energy, lose weight, and glow from the inside out, the raw food diet might just be your answer. Why not give it a shot? You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.